church, natulog na kami. Ako rather. Tapos, nagumbising ako ng 10 p.m. Tapos, tingin mo ngayon, ginawa ko na lahat-lahat. It's 1 o'clock a.m. already. And I can't sleep. Yeah. Wala lang. Diba? Bye-bye and have a good day.